You're a student, wala kang credit card, wala kang TIN, hindi ka makapagbenta on Etsy pero gusto mo pa rin magbenta ng digital products? Well, I got you guys kasi i-share ko sa inyo itong local platform na ginagamit ko na for over 2 weeks where you can sell digital downloads na wala kang ilalabas na pera, wala kang listing fee na babayaran agad-agad. This website is also perfect para dun sa mga freelancers, content creators, graphic designer, o yung mga project where you get commissions or nagbebenta kayo ng mga services nyo. And this website is called Racket.ph. If you haven't heard of this website, then you better watch this video. This website is an online platform where you can sell services, digital downloads, and even physical products all in one na siya kumbaga. And the best thing is you don't need to have credit cards, you don't need to have TIN. Pwede mong i-connect yung GCash mo or any e-wallets. And ang pinakagusto ko pala sa website na to is they accept e-wallet payments kasi before yan yung problem ko with Gumroad account na nagbebenta ako ng ebook and most of my customers, they ask kung pwede daw bang magbayad through GCash. However, Gumroad only accepts debit and credit card. So itong Racket.ph, they accept e-wallet payments like GCash, PayMaya, ShopeePay, GrabPay, BPI, and lahat ng mga local banks na meron tayo dito. Okay, sa fees naman, syempre tatanungin nyo ako, magkano po ba yung bawas niyan sa kada benta ko? So meron silang 5% platform fees. Sa Etsy, di ba may 6.5%? Dito meron silang 5% lang. Plus yung mga send it fees or yung payment processing fees. Iba-iba siya actually, pero makikita nyo naman siya dito sa website nila and very minimal lang din. Hindi ganun kalaki yung bawas unlike nga sa Etsy. I will just make another video on how you can create your own account sa Racket.ph and how you can list your digital products. Pero pwede na kayo actually gumawa kasi sobrang beginner-friendly nung website nila. Meron silang mga templates na pwede nyong pagbasehan, parang edit-edit nyo na lang and sobrang dali lang talaga. And yeah, start earning money. Sell your digital products, sell your physical products. Ayun lang, bye-bye!